Good afternoon. This is Bill Carpenter speaking for Schenectady General Electric. Have you ever stopped to consider how very important electricity is to us in our personal lives? It wakes us up in the morning. It aids in our grooming and in helping to keep us well. It prepares our meals. Entertains us in a variety of ways. It performs countless glamorous and unglamorous chores for us every minute of the day and night, and perhaps the most important of all, it lights our way. 80 years ago, Thomas Alva Edison successfully lit the first incandescent electric lamp. Thursday, the 11th of February, is Edison's birthday, and the electrical industry has chosen this week as National Electrical Week. As the entire electrical industry pauses to take stock of its past achievements and future plans, one of the purposes of National Electrical Week is to honor the many inventors, scientists, and engineers who've made so many contributions to the industry. And today we'd like to pause for a moment to consider with you some of the great men and products of Schenectady General Electric. Charles P. Steinmetz, a legend in the history of General Electric, Schenectady, and the electrical industry itself, will always be remembered for his contributions in mathematical genius, particularly in the field of alternating current, which permitted the transmission of electric power over great distances. The modern electric lamp was made possible by one of Dr. Irving Langmuir's developments, that of the gas-filled incandescent lamp. This improvement alone has been estimated to save over $1 billion a year in electric light bills. Dr. Ernst W. Alexanderson's alternator made possible the first long-distance radio transmission. Perhaps the biggest gamble ever made in the electrical industry was made by General Electric, right here in Schenectady, back in 1903, when it developed the first large steam turbine generator. Today, that turbine stands in the Schenectady plant as a monument to courage, it's called. Schenectady continues to produce large steam turbine generators that have grown to look like this. 450,000 kilowatt giants that can provide the electrical needs of a city of 500,000 people. Dr. A.W. Hull discovered the basic principles of the magnetron, which was fundamental in radar countermeasures during World War II, and today aids in the manufacture of plastics. Dr. Willis R. Whitney founded Schenectady General Electric's research laboratory, America's first industrial laboratory devoted to basic research. And from this lab alone has come a long record of contributions to such products as lamps, X-ray, electron tubes, silicones, insulating materials, and man-made diamonds. Another of Schenectady's contributors to the electrical industry is Dr. William D. Coolidge, inventor of ductile tungsten and the Coolidge X-ray tube, which made possible modern X-ray that permitted man for the first time to control this great force. And it's still universally used in almost all applications of X-ray. Dr. Coolidge is with us this afternoon. Doctor, would you like to comment on Schenectady's contributions to the electrical industry for us?
Yes, I should like to. I want to bespeak a broader base for your tribute to Schenectady's engineers and scientists. Their success was in no small measure due to close cooperation between them and their associates and all their assistants. In a ball game, you need a good pitcher and catcher, but no matter how good they are, you can't win without close cooperation on the part of good fielders. Medals and other forms of recognition may carry only one name, but in most cases they should really carry many. In other words, the contributions of our company to the electrical industry have come not only from their engineers and scientists, but also from their entire personnel force.
Dr. Coolidge, thank you very much for being with us today. During this week, as the industry celebrates National Electrical Week, we can take pride in the fact that the people of General Electric here in Schenectady continue each day to contribute to the health, safety, comfort, pleasures, and defense of people everywhere throughout the free world.